Hello everyone, it's Victor here, and today we're going to explore the various holidays taking place on March 27th. Get ready to celebrate with family, friends, or even just take a break for yourself. So, let's dive in. International Whiskey Day. Raise a glass to International Whiskey Day, observed annually on March 27th. The day is dedicated to celebrating the rich history, cultural significance, and heritage of whiskey, which is a type of distilled alcoholic beverage produced from fermented grain mash. Whiskey is made using a variety of grains, such as barley, corn, rye, and wheat, and it is aged in oak barrels for different periods of time to achieve different colors and flavors. This day is marked by people all over the world who enjoy their favorite whiskey or try new brands and styles. Some whiskey distilleries may also hold special events or tastings to celebrate the occasion. The origin of International Whiskey Day is not entirely clear, but it is believed to have been started by a journalist named Blair Bowman in 2008. Bowman was a whiskey enthusiast who wanted to create a day that would celebrate the history and culture of whiskey and raise awareness about the variety of whiskeys available around the world. He chose March 27th as the date for International Whiskey Day because it is the birthday of Michael Jackson, a whiskey writer and critic who played a significant role in raising the profile of whiskey in the 1990s. Since then, International Whiskey Day has grown in popularity, with whiskey lovers around the world taking part in the festivities every year. National Joe Day. National Joe Day is a fun holiday celebrated on March 27th each year that honors anyone and everyone who goes by the name of Joe. It's a day to appreciate the name and all the people who have it, whether they are family members, friends, co-workers, or even fictional characters. People may celebrate National Joe Day by sending greetings or messages to their friends or family members named Joe, or by simply taking a moment to reflect on the many Joes who have made a positive impact in their lives. National Spanish Paella Day. National Spanish Paella Day is an annual observance that celebrates the beloved Spanish rice dish known as paella. Paella is a traditional dish that originated in the Valencia region of Spain and has gained popularity worldwide due to its unique blend of flavors and ingredients. The holiday aims to honor the cultural significance of paella and provides an opportunity for people to savor the dish's distinctive taste and aroma. Individuals can celebrate this day by cooking paella at home, dining at a Spanish restaurant, or participating in a paella festival or event. The holiday offers an excellent chance for people to explore the rich heritage and culinary traditions of Spain. International Scribble Day. International Scribble Day is an unofficial celebration that encourages individuals to embrace the art of doodling and scribbling. This day aims to celebrate the spontaneous and creative nature of scribbling and to encourage people to let go of the pressure to produce perfect artwork. Scribbling is not only a fun activity, but it can also serve as a therapeutic and stress-relieving practice that promotes mindfulness and relaxation. International Scribble Day emerged organically as a way for individuals to recognize and celebrate the simple joys of scribbling. It provides an opportunity for people to express themselves creatively and connect with others who share their love of doodling. Whether it's through sharing their scribbles on social media or participating in online contests, International Scribble Day invites individuals to let their imaginations run wild and embrace the joy of scribbling. That's it for today. Enjoy these fantastic celebrations on March 27th, and remember to make time for your loved ones and yourself. Thanks for tuning in, and have a fantastic time celebrating.